Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make this um, rose garden rose garden. So yeah, so it's very easy, and yeah, you can use this for anything, any project, it's very cute. Okay, so let's get started guys. To start with guys, I will be using my 3.5 millimeter hook and my 8 ply crochet or acrylic yarn. Okay, so to start with, we are going to make our slip knot, and we are going to make a chain of 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then we are going to slip stitch into the first chain. Okay, so just slip stitch, and then from here, okay, chain 1, and we are going to single crochet, okay, 12 times. Okay, so oops, sorry, one, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, then we are going to slip stitch, okay, into the first stitch, and then from here we are going to chain 1, okay, and then we're going to make 2 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so first 2 in the same stitch, in the next stitch 1 and 2, in the next 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so continue that guys. Okay, putting 2 double crochet in each stitch, and I'll come back and show you what to do guys. So I got to my end and I just slip stitch. So from now we are going to chain 3, okay, and working 3 double crochet in the same stitch. That's 2 and 3. And chain 4, so 1 2 3 4, and then we skip 1 2 3, and in the 4th we're going to make our 4 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so chain 4 and skip 1 2 3, and in the 4th 2 3, in the 4th we are going to make our 4 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, and continue that, guys. Continue doing that, and I'll come back and meet you up when I got here. Okay, guys, so I just got into my end. I just slip stitch. Okay, now we are going to fasten it off, and we'll wave in this later. Okay, and then now we have, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so now we are going to change our yarn. Okay, so just make a slip knot. Okay, guys, so we are just going to insert into the first on top of the first double crochet. So whenever you would like, you can start it off. Okay, so then after that we're going to chain 3, and from here what we're going to do is double crochet on top of double crochet. Okay, but we're going to work half and we're leaving it. Okay, so in yarn over, insert into the next, and then pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2 and leave it. So we have 3, and then we're going to work another one. Okay, yarn over, pull through 2, and we have 4 loops in our hook, and then we're going to pull through all 4 loops. Okay, then we're going to chain 5, 3 4 5, and we are going to single crochet into the chain 4 space, and we are going to chain 5, and do the one that we've done here. Okay, so in the first we're going to make a cluster 1, and the second pull through 2, and the third pull through 2, and in the fourth and pull through 2, and we have 5 loops. 1 2 3 4, yes, 1 2 3 4, and pull through all the loops. Okay, and continue, chain 5 and single crochet, chain 5, and we are going to do the cluster again. Okay, so double crochet cluster. Okay, so 4 2 3 and 4. Okay, and pull through all 4, chain 5, single crochet, chain 5, and we are going to do the cluster again. Okay, 4 double crochet cluster, the second one pull through 2, the third one insert, pull through 2, and the last one and pull through 2. Okay, so then pull through all the loops and chain 5, then single crochet, chain 5, and we will be doing the same. Okay, so after this, okay, so continue that, guys, and after this we are going to cut it off and we are going to go change our color. Okay guys, so I just finished my work, as you can see, and what I've done here is I just insert into the top. Okay, so it will be like similar to here. Okay, so I have chain 5 there. Okay, so from here to will be like similar. Okay, I will insert here on the top. Okay, and slip stitch. Okay, and fasten it off, so it will be a similar. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this is our rose round garden. Okay, so this is one motif that we can use in our project. And yeah, when you do connecting, you just have to connect in every sides here in our space. Okay, so it is very, very cute. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and hopefully you like this video, and if you do, please leave likes and share this video, and if you want, you can subscribe me and hit that notification bell, so every time I will post a new video, you will get notified. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.